Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about completing the square. This math is intended for grade 9 students. So I have here the general form. It's not a standard form of quadratic equation. So I need to write this one first in standard of equation in quadratic. So to solve this, I need to find first at the left side the LCD. So LCD will be x times x plus 4. And then divide in the first denominator. So x plus 4. So take note, this is my LCD is divided by first denominator, which is x plus 4. So this will be crossed out. So I have now the quotient is x. So x times the numerator, which is 1. Then plus LCD x times x plus 4 is divided by the second denominator, which is x. And then the same, cross out. So I get x plus 4. So this will be x plus 4 times the numerator, which is 1. And then I need to copy the fraction at the right side. So distribute this one. This will be x plus 4, because if you multiply 1, so the same x plus 4 will come up. So this will be over x times x plus 4 is equals to 1 over 7. Okay, need to simplify this one. X plus x, that will be 2x plus 4. Then copy the LCD, which is x times x plus 4 is equal to 1 over 7. Then apply cross multiplication. So this will be 7 times 2x plus 4 is equal to x times x plus 4. And then distribute. This will be 14x plus 4 times 7 is 28 is equal to x squared plus 4x. So to write in the standard form of quadratic equation, this will be x squared plus 4x. These terms will be transposed at the right side. So this will be minus 14x. Then this will be minus 28. And this is equal to 0. So this will be x squared minus 10x, because 4x minus 14x, that will be negative 10x. Then minus 28 is equal to 0. So I come up with the standard form of quadratic equation. So this will be x squared minus 10x minus 28 is equal to 0. So need to copy this one, x squared minus 10x. Then this will be transposed, negative, because this is constant. This is positive 28. So how to solve the equation using completing the square? So need to divide this one, the numerical coefficient of x, divide by 2 and then squared. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 5 squared, that is 25. So this will be plus 25. And then same in here, plus 25. Okay? So factor out this one. So factors, take note, the middle term is negative, the last term is positive. So this will be x times x, and then this will be 5 times 5. So since the middle term is negative, so factors are all negative. So this will be x, then minus 5, then minus 5. And then this is equal to 28 plus 25. 8 plus 5 is 13, carry 1, 53. So this will be 53. So 53. So take note, they have the same factors, right? We can write this one as 1 x minus 5 squared is equal to 53. So, extract the square root. This will be x minus 5 plus and minus square root of 53. Now, to solve the value of x, so this will be x is equal to positive 5 plus and minus square root of 53. So meaning you have two roots in here. X1 will be 5 plus square root of 53, and then the second root is 5 minus square root of 53. Sorry, this is 53. So therefore, the roots are 5 plus square root of 53 and 5 minus square root of 53. I think that's all for this topic.